Hi everyone! Welcome to Zoe's Chinese class. This class is aimed to help you to learn Chinese from zero level to be able to speak Chinese in daily conversation. You will learn Chinese syllables, initials, finals, and of course a lot of useful sentence structures by a faster way. So today let's work on the special initials of Chinese syllable. So if you still don't know how to pronounce the easy part of a Chinese initial, you can click the video right here. Trust me, it's very easy. It's kind of like something once you catch on it and you will never forget it. Trust me, you won't regret it. And if you want to learn further and learn more, this is a difficult part of Chinese initials. Don't worry, it's not that difficult. So this is all the Chinese initials, and you may find out for the special part, it only contains two letters, I, U, and for their pronunciation, I think you have already got it, because it's very easy, right? I, U, and also you may find out their pronunciation is the same with some important finals. A, U, I, U, U. Yes, the two initials pronunciation is the same with I, U, and that's why they are special. So let's check on I. First of all, can you read it out? I, U, I, U, I, what? I don't know you, but I literally cannot read it out as a human being. And it seems that's no way to do it, right? Let me tell you why. Because that is not U. Actually, it's U, but the two dots on top of it is removed because U want to be together with I. And that's why U decided to give up the two dots on top of it. It sounds like a love story. When you want to be together with someone, you need to give up something first. Then you can be a couple with the one. So now you can read it out. Yu, 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 yu. 迂腐，大鱼下雨，欲望。Even though Yu give up her two doubts, it still cannot get I's love because I and I, they are together all the time. Like a I. So for the special initial I, there is a love story. Yu in love with I. In order to get together with I, Yu decided to give up the two dots. So every time when you see this, it's actually I and Yu. But I only loves I, so they are together all the time. It's funny, right? Have you got it? So how about the special initial U? Actually, this is a quite simple and lovely story. Because U and U, they have same pronunciation, so that they decided to be together all the time. Have you got it? So that's the story behind the special I and the U. It's easy, right? So this is all about today's video, the special initial of Chinese syllable, I, U. If you have any comments or suggestions, just drop me a message here or just send me an email. So everyone keep in touch, and I'm looking forward to see you guys next time. 加油!